Video-based learning for software training courses. Video-based learning is the perfect and most powerful medium for software training. This method offers a host of benefits that make it highly effective in helping learners grasp complex software concepts and functionalities. One key advantage of video-based learning is that it allows learners to visualize the software in action. Visual demonstrations. When it comes to learning how to use different features, tools, and functions of the software, nothing beats the effectiveness of watching a video tutorial. Videos are especially valuable in the context of software training. They allow learners to see the software in action, giving them a practical understanding of how it should be used. Multisensory learning. By incorporating both visual and auditory elements, video training engages multiple senses and creates a more immersive learning experience. This approach has been shown to enhance learning retention and comprehension, as learners can see and hear the instructions simultaneously. As a result, they are able to better understand and retain the information being presented. Overall, video-based learning is a valuable tool that effectively combines visual and auditory elements to enhance the learning experience. Flexible learning. Videos provide flexibility, allowing learners to access the training material at their convenience. They can pause, rewind, or re-watch specific sections, catering to individual learning preferences and needs. Learners can also access videos from various devices, such as computers, tablets, or smartphones. Engaging and interactive. Video-based learning can be made interactive by incorporating quizzes, knowledge checks, or annotations within the videos. This interactivity promotes engagement, reinforces learning, and allows learners to actively participate in the training process. Video-based learning offers a dynamic and effective approach to software training courses, enabling learners to acquire practical skills and knowledge in an engaging and accessible manner.